Welcome my friends to a new video. Today we will learn how to make a coloring book using Canva. We will explain how to create a coloring book like this. The first step is to create a new design. Make the size 1410 pixels and 1250 pixels. The next step is to find a ready-made book cover. Here I will search for Blue Sea Animals children's book cover. You can search for the design that you like. And the good thing is that there are many ready-made designs. After that, add a new page and make the background white. Now we will search for pictures of animals in the item section. We can remove the colors in the image and convert it to a black and white image. Select the image with the mouse, then press the Edit Image button. After that, choose Photogenic. Now choose Mono, then Classic, then click Apply. From the Adjust section, change the contrast through the slider until it reaches 100. Continue in the same way and add the rest of the animals and pages. You can find pictures of animals that you can remove colors from in this way, as you can see. Click on the See All button in Magic Recommendations until all shapes similar to this animal appear. As you can see from above, convert all colors to black and white. The last step is to download the coloring book by clicking on the Share button. Then select the writing format, which is PDF. Then press the Download button. As you can see, the book was designed successfully. That's it, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.